Hey everybody, I'm out here in the garden, and this is part of Shed Wars challenge from John to buy a vegetable or whatever you wanted to out of the store and plant it. So we did, and this is the cantaloupes. We had planted squash, but none of them came up. So I'm gonna put these cantaloupes in the raised bed. I sure got a lot. I don't know if I'm gonna plant them all or not. I guess I could plant them all, then just do away with what I don't need later. But all of this has done been fertilized, so I'm gonna just get this dumped out and start planting. I had no certain way of doing it. Cantaloupe are not picky. I can get them separated. Yeah, I definitely ain't gonna need all of these things. But we'll plant a few. About one right in here. We're gonna plant them on this side. What do you think?
Yeah.
Plant them deep. Penny. I'm trying to do a video here. Shut up. Shut up. Put them two together. Heck with it. They might be twins. I think I'll save that pot for later. And if all of these plants make, we're going to have a lot of cantaloupes. We had 54 cantaloupes one year, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
I'll just plant her here and that'll be it. Well, Autumn's here with us. I'm sure y'all can hear her in the background. But how many plants is that? Anybody need some cantaloupes? I'm gonna just chunk them. Maybe they'll grow on along the fence over there. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We'll do one more. I just threw some away, didn't I? I know that ain't right. Okay. We got 14 cantaloupe plants, and what I'm gonna do is put a trellis here, cattle panel, and and let them all grow up at Cannon Pound and down the other side. I hope.
She's trying to give you a flower. No, no.
No, don't eat it. That's nasty. Anyway, y'all, that's the challenge for John on the seed from the store thing, from the plant. The squash never come up. I don't know, it never germinated, so that didn't work for us. But I do have potatoes I'm on the plant, so we can count that as from the store, because it was a bag of potatoes we never used, and they started growing eyes. And if y'all can see, got pole beans going crazy over here. I gotta get some string and string them up. Get some string and string them up, and hopefully they put out a lot of beans. But that's all for now. I'm fixing to shoot another video on the patio over here. But hey, we love y'all. Please subscribe, ring that bell. We'll make you more videos. Well, hello everybody, Charlie here. Hey, I want to apologize for not putting out any content here lately. Seems like every time I get outside, I'm down for 2 or 3 days. Sicker than the dog. It's pollen. It's just killing me. But the COPD I have, I just felt tired and tired and tired. So I'm back out here in the garden. Shed Wars 21. Gonna do a garden update for y'all, since it's been a while and I haven't got to do anything. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how all this goes. Let's start down here on this end. We have what looks like, this was all volunteer plants that came up. It's cucumbers. I hope that's a little cucumber right there. It might be a cantaloupe, who knows? We'll see here pretty soon. It's climbing up the wall right there. I need to get some string hanging down, let it climb up some string. But it's looking good. This was just extra plants I had, the tomatoes that my brother gave me. I haven't really done nothing to them. I water them every once in a while, but got carrots going over here in this tub. Never really did get to separate them too much. And that's because I've been sick and ain't been able to do anything. Friday night when I went to play that show, I was sick all weekend from the pollen. Couldn't hardly talk. It wasn't because I was drinking. I wanted to separate all these beans out. Never got around to it, so I might see if I can, if it's not too late, to transplant some over here in this tub. That little baby bean growing out there. Got some growing out there. So maybe we'll get a bunch of beans. We have tomatoes here, but I don't know what's causing this rot at the bottom. I don't really see any stink bugs. Let me check out some more of the tomatoes. See, this is one plant. It don't have any more tomatoes on it. It does. Well, that little one right there looks like it's got rot already. I don't understand it. This plant got 4 tomatoes on it. Right there. Got tomatoes on it everywhere. They all look pretty good. These do. No rot. And this is cherry tomatoes. I didn't even know I planted cherry tomatoes. And this right here is a tomato plant that I took off. I forgot what you call it. Plant I took off of the, well, I'll think of it here in a minute. Over here, we're supposed to have some Mariachi Peppers, but they're not doing too good in this tub. Do got a couple of peppers growing here. I don't know if I need some higher fertilizer or what. There's some more tomato plants. Another marigold right there with tomatoes, and it looks like it's got some end blossom. I guess it's blossom rot, huh? I'm gonna put the camera down so I can get that off of there. I'm trying, but well, my health is kicking my honey. Yeah, it was starting to rot. Oh well, we got more tomato plants. The blackberry bush is doing pretty good. We have blackberries everywhere. They're not black yet, but they're getting there. This weird weather of hot and cold with high humidity is taking a toll on these plants. They don't know what to do at the moment. More tomatoes. And this is habanero. Gonna try it and see how it comes out. Looking pretty good so far. And chives. I need to get these chives dried and bottled up. And this poor old tomato plants, these two are still just not really doing good at all. I don't know, got a disease or what. I'm fixing to do away with them, but that one's got tomatoes. Don't make no sense. Anybody tell me what's wrong with these plants here? I'd sure appreciate it. Look at all them berries. First year on the blackberry bush, and it looked like it's doing pretty good. Might have to get me a few more of them. Now these right next door look like that whatever this plant's got's trying to jump over to this one, so I might need to just do away with them. But this is more cherry tomatoes. This is what this is. I didn't know what my brother gave me. I planted some plants, but in this bush I did not cut any leaves off of it. I just let it go wild. And it's got all kinds of tomatoes on it. Even getting some pretty big ones. Look like my little bird's eye pepper bush is trying to come back. I hope so. I love them little peppers. Well, let's get outside. I haven't planted my potatoes yet. I hope it ain't too late. But the cantaloupes are coming along pretty good. They're still alive. I'm gonna figure out what else to plant over here. My pole beans, I still haven't got them strung up. Need to get some string over here and get them to climbing. They real thick in places. Poor things. They're gonna choke out each other. But if it's not raining tomorrow, I'm gonna get out here and run some string line. Let it climb up the string. Well, let's walk over here. I haven't cut the grass. The belt broke on my mower and I ordered a new belt and it was the wrong one. Woo-wee. It's a Mariachi Peppers, y'all. Brandy growing in this container. They're doing pretty good. I wish you would have put less plants in this one container. That one died. She just got too many plants in one container. This is supposed to be jalapenos. I don't see no jalapenos yet. They need to be in something bigger. Maybe I can get that transplanted tomorrow. Let's walk over here to the front of the porch now. I'm already getting out of breath being out here in this crap. Be glad when this pollen calms down. Here is the Hungarian Hot Peppers. That's a beautiful pepper right there. I think I'm gonna do a Friday Night Live and eat one for y'all. See if it's hot. That's another one. That's only two we got so far, I think. We got a bunch of flowers. Now, green beans and tomatoes and peppers about all we have right now. Got a bunch of more tomato plants over here in front of the house. Doing pretty good. We have 2 days of rain coming, so there's not much I'm gonna be able to do tomorrow if it starts raining. Too much rain. But that's about all I have for today. Gotta get the feeling better, y'all. This is crazy. I never had this pollen. It struck me down before, but never this bad. So, also stay in the house most of the time and take it easy, but I don't like doing that. You know me, I'm ready to get to work. But gotta take care of them lungs, I guess. The pollen gets all in my lungs and it's terrible. Oh well, guys, we love y'all. Please subscribe, ring the bell, and I'm gonna do the best I can for y'all. So we'll see you on the next video. Hopefully it's not too long before I do it again. It won't be. Bye, y'all.